String alignment methods in the str class control the alignment of characters within the string object. The center method is used to align the string in the center within a given width. This is the syntax. Width, total length of the string including padded characters. It is an integer value used to determine how many characters of padding will be added. The number of padding characters needed is equal to width minus the length of string. Fill char, optional padding character. Only a single character is accepted. If it's not provided, space is taken as the default argument. A return value, a new string of specified width centered and padded with the specified fill character is returned. The original string is not modified. To modify the original string, reassign the modified string back to the original string variable. Since it is a string method, you can call it on a string variable, a string literal, or pass a string to the method as an argument. Let's look at a few examples. If the given width is less than or equal to the length of the string, the original string is returned. In this example, center method is called on the string variable s1. Length of the string is 6. The specified width is 5, which is less than length of the string. The original string is returned. In this example, the specified width is 10 and fill char is not specified. The string hello is centered within the specified width and padded with the spaces on both sides and returned. To pad a string with a specified character, pass it as the second argument. In this example, center is called on the string literal hello with the specified width 10 and fill char is asterisk. Here the length of the string is 6 characters and the specified width is 10. The number of padding characters is 10 minus 6, 4. The string is padded with the 2 asterisks on the left and 2 asterisks on the right. Padding a string with uneven widths. If the number of padding characters is odd, then padding is uneven. This results in an extra padding character on one side, which depends on the length of the string and the given width. If the length of the string is even and the given width is odd, the extra padding character is placed on the left side of the string. If the length of the string is odd and the given width is even, the extra padding character is placed on the right side of the string. In this example, string rows is padded with asterisks to center it within a string of length 9. Length of the string is 4, given width is 9, resulting in an extra asterisk on the left side of the string. In the next example, length of the string is 5 and the given width is 10, resulting in an extra asterisk on the right side of the string. To left align the string, use the ljust method. This is the syntax. The arguments are same as the center method. Ljust method left aligns the string in the width specified and padded with the specified fill character on the right. If the given width is less than or equal to the length of the string, the original string is returned. In this example, the specified width is 10 and fill char is not specified. The string hello is left aligned within the specified width and padded with spaces on the right. In this example, fill char is asterisk. String hello is left aligned and padded with asterisk on the right. To right align the string, use the rjust method. This is the syntax. The arguments are same as the center and ljust method. Rjust method right aligns the string in the width specified and padded with the specified fill character on the left. For example, here the string hello is right aligned in the specified width and filled with the specified fill character on the left. To download practice Python file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.